done so far. So I'm just gonna reach underneath the trainer and kind of like jump to pull it down. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And if you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, everything. Just go ahead and subscribe now because it makes sense. So yeah, I got blue hair. I hope you guys like it, but that's for another video. Today we're talking about waist training. What's more glamorous than a small waist? What's more glamorous than a small waist? All right, so today's all about waist trainers. Recently I was contacted by a company called LUXXDOLL, and they actually contacted me to see whether or not they can send me a waist trainer for me to try out and show to you guys. And I was like, yeah. Who sent you, by the way? God? So yeah, their timing was so perfect. I definitely needed this. So before we get into the details, let's take a look at what comes in your package. When you order your trainer, you are going to get one of these cute little drawstring bags. You can use this for anything. You can, if you go to the gym, you can pack your water bottle, your towel, your sanitizing wipes in this bag. So it's a cute little bag and it has a drawstring here. Okay, so let's get into the trainer. I got the LUXXDOLL Mermaid trainer, and let me hold it up. It's so pretty. I have the Mermaid trainer here. Look at that. It has a metallic finish to it, and it has the little mermaid scales here. And how good does it look with my hair? So cute. This is a size 2XL, and I am a medium torso. I did send in measurements. It's very useful to do that. That way you get the right trainer. That way it fits properly, so you can actually keep it on your body for 8 hours a day. So I am 2XL. My starting waist, the starting inches in my waist is 41 inches, and my torso measured 11.5 inches. So I was a medium torso. All right. So again, this is it here. So gorgeous, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. It is constructed really well. This is the first time I'm going to be waist training, but this thing is constructed so well. Okay, this is it here. Now, when you first get it, it is going to be really hard to put on. I actually thought I had the wrong size. Then I was like, how can I have the wrong size when I sent measurements? So I just kind of, worked it out. My husband helped me put it on the first time. And what I did, a good tip is, like, if you don't have anyone to help you kind of stretch it out and put it on, what I did was I opened it up like this. And when this part hit the floor, like the bottom part was on the floor, I gently put my foot on it and kind of pulled up and stretched it while my foot was on the other end. You know what I mean? Just to kind of stretch it out and work it out to help put it on your body, especially if you're doing it by yourself, because it is not easy. I am going to show you mine's on later on in the video, but I will definitely show you how I put mine on, and it's not an easy thing. Nah. Before we get into trying on the trainer, let's talk about the concept of what waist training truly is if done correctly. Now, first of all, a waist trainer is not going to help you lose body fat. A waist trainer is not going to help you lose body fat. You're going to help yourself lose body fat through diet, exercise. A healthy lifestyle pretty much is going to help you lose actual body fat. The waist trainer is there to aid in that. So as you lose weight from diet and exercise, the waist trainer would be there to mold and sculpt your body in a more curvy way. So it's an assist. It's not the star player, but it's an assist into your journey. All right. So essentially how a waist trainer works, or how I think about it, I compare it to braces. I've had braces before, and braces were there I had braces to close gaps. So because I was trying to close the gap or make it smaller, every month I have what's called a power chain. So every month I would get that tightened, more pressure, more pressure, more pressure, until that gap was eventually closed. Now keep in mind that takes consistency. Every month I had to get them tightened. Just like the trainer, you have to wear it consistently in order to get a positive outcome. So consistently right now for me is 8 hours per day in the trainer. Okay, which is fine because I have my size. It fits perfectly. I can actually maintain it for the entire day, and I'm in home, so it makes it a little bit easier for me. Another way you can kind of compare this to braces, which I think it's actually genius, really. But just like with braces, it requires maintenance. Without a retainer, my teeth will return to where its home was, where it was originated from, okay? So that means I would have gaps again. So without a retainer, my teeth return back to its normal spot. Just like with your fat, I'm assuming it has memory just like your teeth do. So if you don't maintain it, I mean, it kind of defeats the purpose. So you need to wear your trainer just like you got to wear that retainer, okay? It's the same concept to me. Hopefully you get it based on the way I just explained it, but it makes perfect sense. So before we try the waist trainer on, let's take a look at my waist and measurements before you see it with the trainer on. So just getting my measuring tape together here. So I'm just going to stand up so you guys can see. I have on a thin shirt, a thin, you know, lightweight shirt to put under the trainer because it is better for you to do that. It's a lot more comfortable. So make sure it's breathable. So I'm just going to measure my waist. My waist right now is 41 inches. So I just want to show you guys how you would measure. You just go along the smallest part of your waist and you just measure it here. So currently my waist is 40. And make sure you're very relaxed and don't pull it too tightly because you see I have a little bit of room still. So comfortably my waist is 41 inches right now, okay? And then you're going to measure from under your the wire of your bra down to your like about hip bone here. All right, and I'm actually at about 11, okay? So that's how you would measure that. So this is my waist before I put it on. So now we can grab the trainer and I can show you how I put mine on. And girl, it's a struggle. Okay, here we go. So I have the trainer on. Well, I don't have it on, but this is it here. And when you look at it, it looks like it's not even gonna fit. You see that? It's constructed so well. It's like a tight squeeze to do it. So what I do is bring it up to this point. You kind of like grab it here so you can get the first hook done. I just start from here. And I usually need a mirror. Let me try to use the camera as a mirror. So you just go here and you hook the second one. Uh-oh, this one got loose. And just kind of continue to hook it. Oh my God, you need a mirror. Okay, I need a mirror to do this, so I'll be right back. So I went in the mirror and did a couple notches to kind of help me because I need a mirror to see because I can't see past this. Okay, once this starts squeezing in, all this goes up and I'm like looking down and I can't see the hook. So I have to use my phone here. So I have this done so far. So I'm just gonna reach underneath the trainer and kind of like jump to pull it down. There's a lot of action going on right here now. And then we're going to continue to hook and go. I just really need a mirror to see because I can't see past my boobs. Guys, I'm sorry. I have to go ahead in the mirror and clip all of them. But you can kind of see how I put it on, how I got it started. And now I'm just going to go in the mirror and button all these up. But after this point, it gets easy. It's just like when you first do it, these first few hooks are kind of hard. But after that, it's going to get easier. So I'm going to go ahead and, as you can see, if I squeeze it, I can do it. But I can't see those little teeny hooks because my titties are in the way. Alrighty. Okay, guys. So now I'm in here like a stuffed cannoli, spilling out everywhere. The trainer is on. And honestly, it is very comfortable. I didn't expect it to be as comfortable as it is. It's tight, but I can breathe. I can, you know what I mean? I can actually put my hand down here and stretch it out if I needed to, just to show you that there's still, it's fitted, but it's still a little room here just for your lungs to expand and your rib cage to expand when you're breathing. It's not that restrictive to where it's unhealthy. Do you know what I mean? So here is a trainer here. Now, if you are heavy chested, you're gonna feel, you know, the little issue here where the breasts are like all the way up. And for me, that's kind of the most uncomfortable part, is seeing my breasts all the way up to my damn chin. But I'm in the house. I work from home with the situation. So for me, it's not a big deal. Alrighty, but you can see here how it curves this portion of my waist. So this is what we're trying to get. This is what we're trying to achieve with the waist trainer off. Okay. This is it from the side here. You see the boning right here in the curve of the waist. So it's meant to cinch that portion in as well. This trainer is so pretty. Oh my God. Love the Mermaid one. But this is it, guys. And it comes, let me stand out of that. So it comes down to about right here. So I absolutely love it. I hope you guys love this. I think it's so pretty. Even though I'm kind of like waist training, it's still cute. It's a cute Instagram post, which I'm going to be doing. But I love this so far. So I've been doing this challenge. I'm like 3 days in. So it's 8 hours every single day. All right. So let me pan back up. Okay, guys. Now that you're back down to eye level, let's talk about the challenge. This is going to be a 30-day challenge. You have to wear your trainer every single day for at least 8 hours a day, consistently, okay? Now, I am not gonna just wear this trainer without the work. I am gonna do my share, okay? So I am gonna do the diet. I am gonna intermittent fast, which I've done before. At a point in my life, I was 45 to 50 pounds heavier than I am right now. So it's not like I don't know what to do. I just haven't been doing it lately. So I am back on the train. Lux Curve contacted me at the most perfect time, and you have to make sure you guys like this video and subscribe because I know you want to see the end results. I'm only 3 days in, so I have to give you an update once I get to the 30-day mark, and I know you want to see it, and I know the results are going to be great because, like I said, I'm going to do the work. I really hope you guys join me. Maybe you can get a trainer, send me some before and after pictures. We can make this a little, you know, a group challenge. I would actually like that. I love that type of support. So if you guys want to join me with your waist trainer, you can look in the description box. There's a coupon code. If you don't already have a trainer, you can get one from Lux Curves. You could probably get the Mermaid one. You might want to get the blue hair too. You don't have to do the blue hair. You don't have to do the blue hair, but get a trainer and then we can do this thing together. And you would have to subscribe because I'm going to do a follow-up. And if you know me, you already know I'm up for the challenge. Once I say I have to do it, I have to do it because my pride will not allow me to fail. Okay, so come back for the results. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye to the big waist because my waist is going to be small now. Bye.